In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Salesforce account. To get started, head over to the official Salesforce free trial page. Make sure you're on the legitimate Salesforce website so you can safely create your account and access the correct trial setup. Once the page loads, you'll see the registration form where you'll enter your basic business information. Begin filling out the form carefully. You'll typically be asked for your first name and last name, followed by your business email address. After that, enter your company name, your job title, the number of employees at your company, and your country or region. As you complete each field, take a moment to double check your information for accuracy, especially your email address, since that's where Salesforce will send your verification message. Once the form is complete, click Start Free Trial. This submits your registration and begins the account creation process. Depending on your internet connection, it may take a few seconds for the next screen to load, so just give it a moment if needed. After submitting the form, go to your email inbox and look for a verification email from Salesforce. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder as well, since automated emails can sometimes end up there. Open the email when it arrives and click the verification link inside. That link confirms your email address and takes you to the next part of the setup. From there, you'll be prompted to create your password and set up your security question. Choose a password that is strong and easy for you to remember, and pick a security question and answer that you'll be able to recall later if you ever need to recover your account. This step is important because it helps protect your login and keeps your trial account secure. Once that's done, your account setup is essentially complete. You can then sign in to your new Salesforce trial account using the credentials you just created. After logging in, you'll be taken into the Salesforce environment where you can start exploring the platform and getting familiar with its tools and features. And that's it. By following this process, you can quickly create a Salesforce trial account and start testing the platform for your business needs.